Hello guys, this is Viperman. My account on YouTube is RON. Don't mind that. That's okay. This is my very first video on YouTube. And first we're featuring Useless Genetic Dictators in Cheat. I am borrowing my friends after I didn't have a campaign passes yet. Oh, shout out to Yuki Brain Onishi. Please add him. Yes, below the video. And download link to thanks to Archel Ferrer, he made this, I don't know, but thanks a lot. I don't make this video for my channel, I'm endorsing it, so here it is. Okay, here it is. Sorry, I just paused because I forgot to open it. Yes. Okay, so that goes I'm using Mozilla right now, so attach it. Attach it. Okay. Enemy. No damage hack. Every time enemy attacks, you will see the damage, but the effect is no. It means it will take some damage from that attack. Enables damage attack. You will increase your damage as one spell, or damage that will kill an enemy. Okay, let's enable off. It's very sorry if I enable one hack. Okay, that's okay. Campaign. Okay, let's test it. Okay, we're testing it. Okay, we're using Zorro, and this is my Facebook account, guys. But don't visit this. Don't visit. Don't add it. I strictly not supervise that you add my account. Okay? Okay, here it is. Okay, we don't take any damage. Wait, oh, there's my tag. Oh, not yet strong. I'm gonna change it to Techno Taoist. Oh, I don't think that's alright. That's alright pronunciation of that written, but that's okay. Oh, see that? Okay, guys, that's it. Goodbye. Subscribe. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.